When you don't have budget or time to go salon for relaxation while painting your toenails, you can go the DIY route. Your feet would probably need a pedicure even in winter, so doing pedicure at home will be your best bet. In this video, I will tell you top 5 best pedicure kit for home that scores thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. RENPHO GFCI Plug Foot Soak Tub Pedicure Kit. If you're serious about bringing this part to your home, consider investing in a foot bath. Compared with other foot spa baths, this foot spa bath massager with heat comes with a GFCI plug that has been certified by ATL to ensure safer use. This RENPHO foot spa bath massager uses massage jets and rollers to soothe tired feet and provide extra pampering. This multifunctional feet soaking tub integrates heating, massage, bubbles, vibration, temperature control, and timing functions to take care of your feet. The foot bath is completely customizable with adjustable temperature and timer settings, as well as 3 massager modes for bubbles, vibration, or a combination of the two. It also comes with 5 pedicure tools, including a pumice stone and emery board to complete your pedicure. Also, the foot tub to help remove cellulose and dead skin from your feet. A small box is also designed to hold foot bath salts for a better relaxation effect. It keeps the temperature for or as long as you want. Number 4. Dazzle Dry Mini Kit. If you want to pamper your feet with long-lasting polish, then this kit is only for you. Dazzle Dry Mini Kit comes with a nail prep solution to clean and nourish your nails, a base coat, a sheer pink polish, and a top coat. It provides the longest-lasting, fastest-drying natural nail treatment on the market with results up to 2 weeks. The 4-step system has designed to give you gel-like results, and all of the formulas are fast-drying, cruelty-free, and free from potentially harmful ingredients like formaldehyde, toluene, and nitrocellulose. In just 4 steps, you can have salon-quality nails at home using your natural nails. If you prefer a brighter color on your toes, the kit is available with plenty of other shades to choose from. I do think this little set will get me quite a few applications since it comes with the Revive solution to bring thick polish back to life. I had my first Dazzle Dry pedicure at a nail salon and was so impressed with how it looked, how quickly it dried, and how long it lasted that I ordered my own mini set. It's definitely a bit more prep work, but it's totally worth it for me. Number 3. Daily Remedy Cellulose Remover Kit. This Daily Remedy Cellulose Remover Kit will be the at-home pedicure set of choice for anyone whose primary concern is softening rough skin. This kit is paired with our cellulose remover gel, and the powerful dual-surface pumice stone gently scrubs off dead, rough buildup to reveal smooth, soft skin. First, you will want to use the tea tree oil foot soak, which is formulated with Epsom salt, sea salt, and relaxing essential oils like tea tree, rosemary leaf, and lavender. You can use the pumice stone to exfoliate your next feet, or if you have a stubborn cellulose, apply the cellulose remover gel first. It is cruelty-free and available for all skin types. So after letting the gel sit on your cellulose for 15 to 20 minutes, the skin should exfoliate right off with the help of the pumice stone, and you can rinse your feet and carry on with the rest of your pedicure. Even men and women with sensitive skin can enjoy baby soft, healthy, radiant skin. Number 2. iTunes Electric Foot File Cellulose Remover. Pull out the big guns when it comes to your foot care with this all-encompassing set. This effective pedicure kit has salon-level tools that are easy to use in the comfort of your own home. The electric foot file has waterproof design. Whole body can be rinsed under running water. You can washing it off to keep clean and use after using. It is suitable for wet and dry use. You will find the electric cellulose remover with different speeds and heads, but to make it foolproof, it will stop working if you apply too much pressure in order to protect healthy skin. Electric foot scraper would effectively solve the problem of bacteria growing on the gaps and protects your feet health. The more recognizable pieces included are a range of files for the foot and nails as well as brushes. This high-quality electric foot cellulose remover is the best choice for you to get professional foot care pedicure at home. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use. The body is equipped with a light. Number 1. Cuccio Professional Pedicure Pack. If you prefer a manual approach to your pedicure, the Cuccio Professional Pedicure Pack has got you covered. Different boards, a round disc, a paddle file, clippers, a cuticle pusher, and a cuticle oil pen are contained within, as well as toe separators, so you can truly feel like you are in a luxury salon without moving from your sofa. This is a 100% sanitizable stainless steel pedicure file with refills, and the unbreakable firm grip metal handle provides leverage while filling. The ergonomic handles provide firm grip and leverage while filling. This is great for getting all that unwanted dead skin. It works first, so makes my feet softer and easier to take on lotion, and the cleanup you can bet. I like it came with several replacement pads. I used many different pedicure files, and this is by far one of the best.